Hi everyone, welcome to The Grace Life. So in this video today we have a collaboration and it's called the Annual Gold Rush Party, and the founder is Kel from If It Ain't Cheap, I'm Not Buying It. So this is being hosted by Sophisticated Ladies Club members, and so let me name them for you. So the founder is Kel from If It Ain't Cheap, I'm Not Buying It. Tammy Thompson, TVMG, Robin from Table Talk with Robin, Tamara, Love My Babies Forever, and Penny from At Penny's Place. What I decided to make for this occasion is a nice little vase, and it's a gold one. And so we're going to be embellishing with items that I purchased from the Dollar Tree. Remember that all the items that I'm using will be listed in the description box below. So let's get started. So this is a birthday bash for Cal from Sophisticated Ladies Club, and she is the founder. So I am just going to go right into this video and make her a royal vase with a gold rose. So what I decided to do here is take some gold glitter and Mod Podge with this candle vase that I purchased at the Dollar Tree, and it's diamond shaped. So this is perfect for this occasion. So we are going to be applying the Mod Podge with the gold glitter around that vase, and we're going to give that 2 coats along with the bottom piece that we'll be gluing it to. So for each layer of the Mod Podge, you have to let each layer dry fully before you apply the second layer. We did this process 3 times. Now this is what the vase is looking like after it's fully dry. Isn't that absolutely gorgeous? Look at that. Beautiful, beautiful. So now we're going to move on to the next step. So these gold stickers I got at the crafter section at the Dollar Tree. So we're going to go ahead and go around that vase using those gold gems. As I'm using these stickers to go around the vase, I'm loving the adhesive behind it, so you shouldn't have to use anything in placing these down. Look how gorgeous that's looking. So now we're going to go ahead and embellish the bottom piece the same exact way. So I just want to take a quick moment and wish Cal a wonderful birthday. I hope that you get everything that your heart desires, and I hope you have a blessed day. So now before we glue this vase down, I'm going to go ahead and embellish this beautiful vase with this royal rose. And it's gold with the gold leaves, and I'm absolutely loving it. Okay, so now we're going to start the gluing process. So here I'm using the Fix All adhesive that I purchased at the Dollar Tree. Remember, when you're using an adhesive, to be in a well-ventilated area and allow the piece to sit for 24 to 48 hours. So now we're going to go ahead and seal the two pieces together, and we're going to wait until that sets.